Did you know that the Museum of Aviation's National STEM Academy is home to Georgia's only NASA Regional Educator Resource Center? In our center, we have over 30 different STEM kits. There's lots of different types of things that you can borrow and check out for students in pre-K all the way through the 12th grade. There's also a lot of different books and things that you can borrow. We have teacher resource guides direct from NASA. Check out this one on microgravity. It has everything in it you might need to know about microgravity and lesson plans for how to teach it. We also have complete classroom sets that you can borrow for your class that has enough for everybody to be able to follow along with their own book. We have things like resources on math and science in case you're teaching at home this year. There's lots of different things that you can borrow from the museum's NASA Educator Resource Center. All you have to do is go online to museumofaviation.org and fill out an information request form. We hope to see you soon.